Hey there, my stamping friends. We have sketch number 88 today, and this one features the Zoo Crew DSP. So I have this panel of DSP scrap from a previous project, and I'm pairing it with this background piece, and we're doing basic black and basic white. So the first one is cut down to 3 1/4 by 5 1/2, and the second one is just going to have two little strips off the edges, which are going to be 3/4 of an inch each by 5 1/2. Then I stamped sentiment from the Beside You stamp set, and I embossed it with clear emboss, so it just has a little bit of shimmer and shine. Then we have all these parts and pieces for our project, and all the details are on the mini tutorials. So we're going to fold our card in half and give it a good crease. Then we're going to add the two strips of skinny DSP on either side, left and right. So first I do the left one, and then I add the right one, both added with liquid adhesive. Then we're just going to put the wider strip down the center. So we're just framing it in on top of our basic black base card. Now I'm going to add the sentiment on dimensionals, and you can see that I have a little bit of a smudge there on the top right hand side. So we're going to mask it with some bling. So I've got the tinsel gems, and I'm going to add those along the top edge of my circle die to just cover up that smudge ink. So don't ever throw it away, just find a way to mask it. So here's our simple and easy card for today. This is a lot of fun to use this paper, and I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment below. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on more, and you can find me on my website at pumpkinhillstampers.com. Thanks so much, and do some fun stamping!